It's Thursday morning and I am packing for Old Town Rigdown in Nacogdoches. Obviously, got all my pink stuff. I had to get, of course, a bunch of new Vans because mine are filthy from doing all the stuff outside. I mean, look. Ew. So, yeah, I am packing. I'm about to go outside and pack up all of our apparel. I did a lot of it yesterday. Oh my God, guys. Does anyone remember this show? I've been binge watching this for the last week and Blake's so tired of it. So he'll get a little break this weekend. But yeah, I'm super excited to go. The guy that bought Little Homie is going to be bringing Little Homie and having it in the BRB booth, and we have new apparel and stuff. So I'm excited. This is the first time that we'll be going to a truck show without physically bringing a truck. It's been really cool not having to wash it, do all that stuff. We don't have to worry about any of it. It's so exciting. It was kind of like a new-ish dream of mine. I've always had a dream of building custom trucks ever since I met Blake. But we never went to shows until we started Instagram. Our first show was like 5 years ago. And I was like, how cool would it be if we built trucks and our custom trucks were at the show, just there, like not even with us. And it's happening. This is the first one that one of our builds will be there that we do not own anymore. So I thought that was pretty cool and I'm really excited to see them. They're awesome. Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. The first time ever that we're going to a show and we don't have to wash something. Doesn't matter anyway. He's gonna keep washing and washing till the day he dies.
Gotta be clean, baby.
What?
I figured you needed that honking on the
Yeah, thank you very much for that. Well, it looks good.
Yeah, look, we can wash on concrete finally.
I know! No more rocks.
You know, I know you didn't think you were going to raise a celebrity, but here I am. So.
Oh, God.
And I didn't, so.
Blake's head ain't gonna fit in the truck.
The dickhead.
Oh, my God.
We got it.
How clean are them shoes? I got everything packed and ready to go in here. It looks like a frickin' bomb went off, but that's okay. Got it all packed. New hats, new clothes, all ready to go. I got these racks because for the hats, for the table, because every time we go, the hats go flying, so I got those. Usually I take the hats and unbutton them and put lug nuts on the back, and it works really good, but this way we can stack all the hats up, like to where the customer can just grab the hat that they want and I don't have to take a whole separate thing, just have them organized behind the table. So I think it's gonna work a lot better. Also, let's just take a second and admire the new Little Homie shirts. What? I'm obsessed with these. We're on our way to Nacogdoches. We just stopped at Busey's and got some food. Like filling up the DEF. Look at my new shoes, guys. Velcros. We are pulling up to Nacogdoches. We're gonna meet Truck Show Joe and some other people. We're gonna go to Buffalo Wild Wings for dinner. But the whole way we've been having to listen to the truck ding because it keeps telling us to clean the exhaust system and service it and see the owner's manual. So I don't really know what's going on. We have 7 miles until we're dropped down to 65 miles per hour tops. So hopefully somebody at the dealership can fix it tomorrow. I don't know.
It just needs a regen and it won't regen.
It won't regen.
Piece of shit.
9,000 miles on it.
But it's still better than a Ford.
It's comfortable. My back's been massaged the whole way here. So we're supposed to be helping Dakota park and setting up our booth, but we're at the service center at the GMC dealership, hoping and praying that they can clear our codes and do a stationary regen, but I don't know. We might be walking home, guys. So we will see. So we made it. There's little homie. We had to have the dealership bring us. Dakota's amazing. He was already here, so we had to load all of our stuff on the back of the truck. And yeah, we are going to get parked. I have to find Troy so that we can figure out where we're supposed to go. It's always something. If you go to a truck show and nothing bad happens, is it even a truck show? Blake had him some French fries and a chocolate shake. Soaking up the breeze. What are you creeping on? Marketplace.
I'm just gonna tell her to bring me some of that McGuire stuff.
Okay.
No, we're not just gonna wipe this motherfucker down.
Renegade products, guys. Renegade products.
Video me when I said that.
Oh yeah, I'm putting it in there too.
Oh god.
When the dealership drives your shit. Tear it up. Look at that. Cool. Day, but we're still out here. We just closed up our booth and we are going to watch the awards, and here we are. Our buddies over at Talladega Fiberglass are going to give us a ride down there. What's up, guys?
Hi, how you doing? How you doing?
Just doing
Go
it.
down for the awards?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome.
Here,
You
I'll
want to put it under my feet?
Harry, you got the money?
Yes, right here. Yep.
What's that for? Did y'all sponsor an award?
No, we just sold some of Philip Couch's couch trucking, the New Testament Freightliner.
Oh,
We
nice.
sold some of their merch for them.
Oh,
We just
cool.
put it out.
That's nice. Heck yeah. We got a professional race car driver
I'm probably gonna run over a kid.
taking us down there. Cousin's walking.
I'm trying to find a trash can.
What's
Do you want
that?
me to take it?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much.
It's
See how
nothing
helpful
bad,
people
right?
are? We help each other
I
out.
would go to
Hell
every
yeah.
show if it
Yeah.
was for me.
You know these losers?
I know them losers.
Redhead at the booth.
So you think you won?
Yeah, and I
Oh,
want
for
to
sure,
go.
100%.
So
Which
talk to
one,
them, too.
though?
What did I win?
Wait, no, which truck?
Well, there's different classes. So best bob. I don't have a bobtail. Best sleeper.
Best sleeper? So
Yeah.
what you think you got?
Bobtail. Probably best combo. And maybe best paint.
All of it.
That's what I'm hoping.
I believe in you.
Yeah.
No, you didn't win
I-
every award.
I
Jesus
do
Christ.
have my lucky cap on.
I know. I saw
So
that.
I did what I could today.
You're
you
going
know
to do
what I
good.
mean? It's raining.
Hey, I'd love to stay here and talk to you, but I'm fucking melting back here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let's let Blake get up. Okay, I didn't mean to hold you up. Thank you for taking my trash.
I got it.
Hey,
So much.
you bring another shirt for tonight, or are you gonna wear that all day again?
I've got one he can have.
Do you?
Hey, y'all have one I can borrow?
Yeah, right here.
Sweet.
275. Now 300, not 25. 325, 50. 75. 375, 400, not 25, sir. 425, 50. 75. 475. 1,500, I'll do 1,550. He gonna let her have 1,550. $1,550. Who started this thing so low? $1,550. $1,550 and all done. So up the lady up here cash for $1,500.
51, Thomas Ivy.
Oh, he did.
Truck Show Joe, where you
Woo!
at?
Truck Show Joe!
There he comes, he running. Peterbilt right over here to the left. Chrome Shop Mafia built that truck. Ivy's Poison. Best paint.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
All right, what's your acceptance speech?
Well, we just want to thank everybody. Makita Drills.
Hang on, who are you again?
Truck Show Joe. Oh, yeah.
Oh, hold on. I got a malfunction over here.
Hey, thanks, man.
You know, you were talking a lot of smack about winning all the trophies.
Well,
You do realize you only won one, right?
When we got here, we didn't realize what we were up against. We may have overstepped, but we want to thank the paint company that made this paint. I don't know who it was. It was a long time ago, but whatever DuPont, maybe
PPG.
Yeah, we are looking for a spray paint sponsorship next year, 2025.
Rust-Oleum
I
mean, that'd be cool.
Something like that. Best paint.
Cool.
Didn't see that coming.
Well, check it out, guys. We messed up, guys. We put our hats and our work phone and our money bag in the truck. And Dakota's at the hotel. And I want to go home and shower. It's like 5,000 degrees outside here. Prodigal son arrives with the magic key. The truck is driving really good. It's Sunday morning. We're on our way home. Blake called his dad because we just don't want to mess anything up. It actually didn't really put us into lit mode or anything, but like lights are still flashing. So he met us halfway and we're gonna load the truck up and just drive this truck home with everybody. Here's our ghetto ramp system.
Shout out to Paw Trucking over here.
Yeah, Big Blue. But yeah, that's what we're doing. It actually seems like it's regenning now and like working right now. It's been using DEF. It didn't derate us or anything like that, but we're just playing it safe because something is obviously not right. So now we're about to unload this up and get some grub, and I'm in the way. Look at them JTX, so CST lift, baby. Beautiful driving.
Burning something.
Yeah, I can smell it regenning. Why'd I look like that? Not always like that?
It bumps like the torsion bars move.
That was a beautiful job, babe. How'd you bend them ramps?
Listening to you.
To me?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna pick that bitch up ourselves.
What can I say, guys? I like to do everything myself. It's pretty exciting stuff. I've never gotten to use the DEF pump at a place. I've always had to use the boxes. I guess I haven't had to, I've just never done it, and I've always wanted to, and we're doing it. We're doing it.
Big things happening right now.
Yes.
Regen, baby, regen.
Boop, boop.
No regen. No regen over there.
Old Sylvia, always pulling through for us.
Oh, stinks.
Ooh, that does stink. Why is it like that?
Hoochie coochie.
It's hot.
What's hot?
It smells hot.
No, it don't smell hot. It smells like booty hole.
Brown. Made it home. They're my puppies.
I'm driving my grass.
Lola, baby Lily. Oh, be easy on Mimi. Be easy. Hi, Lily. Hi, baby. Hi, Lola. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Back home. Actually at Peterbilt. We dropped our little silver truck off. Has like a little transmission light on it. That's why I was saying the driver had to pick up our white one. Yeah, the truck show was really fun. I liked it. We got a lot of good content, met a lot of really cool people. And we're going to get heavy now somewhere. I don't know where. But that was our weekend. Now we're back to our regular work days.
Spending money.
And we'll start working on the shop again probably tomorrow.
Man, that seat's back there.
Concreting this week. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.